nobody thought like 50-year-old actress would be the main lead.
पब्लिक को चाहिए मसाला, जाने दो.
Intimidated नहीं बोलूँगी, but होता है ना कुछ लोग, they try and put you down.
It's my decision. If I want to convert, I will convert. If I don't want to, I will not.
I also don't look perfect all the time.
I was in the loo. I was hiding in the loo from them.
Hi, I'm Jitesh Pillai. In the last 6 months, I've had the privilege of speaking to some of the most influential women in the business. On this special Women's Day today, Filmfare brings you some candid opinions from women who matter. Check them out.
Oh, like if you want roles like that, you should put on a little weight, and like you're too thin and you're not going to get roles like that. And so people do say all sorts of things now, less so.
I don't want young girls to start feeling the pressure of looking perfect all the time. Nobody looks perfect all the time. I also don't look perfect all the time. I have phases, I have times, I have days when I wake up and I'm puffy.
Intimidated नहीं बोलूँगी, but होता है ना कुछ लोग, they try and put you down.
That's what I was saying.
In a room, if there are 4 people sitting and you present your opinion on something, they'll try and be like, what do you know? You don't talk.
It's not cool.
So it's not cool, and I've been through that multiple times.
I tell you, for an example, in Hiramandi, you know, I'm giving you this example because this example is fresh in people's mind. Nobody thought like 50-year-old actress would be the main lead or one of the main leads.
And look at you.
At Rajiv Chowk, which is a bigger metro station, I called up my father crying. I was in the loo. I was hiding in the loo from them. These guys who started stalking me, and I called him crying, "Ki, Papa, please, can you come pick me up from the metro station?" And not that I don't use the public transport anymore, but the sad part is this can happen anywhere. The sad part is कि ये room में सारी औरतों ने experience करा होगा, even being in Mumbai, I'm sure, isn't it? They're all nodding.
I mean, I put up a post for Eid because I wanted to. It's not that, and suddenly somebody started messaging saying, oh, you know what, she's converted into a Muslim. And how do you know if I've converted or not? It's my decision. If I want to convert, I will convert. If I don't want to, I will not.
तो मेरे को लगता है कि मुझे मौका मिला है दी विशाल भारद्वाज के साथ डेब्यू करने का. कैरेक्टर की डिमांड है, मुझे जब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो मेरे आसपास सबको कैसे प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है?
We women didn't. Maximum we would have is a discussion that, listen, why are you doing this? What is wrong? Let's bridge the gap. Let's bury the hatchet. But some people didn't want to. So it became like a cat fight. There were no cat fights. Nothing. That was always overhyped and masala, and something that then we learned to take in our stride. कि ठीक है, public को चाहिए मसाला, जाने दो.
I'd go for an audition. I was very carefree. मुझे कौन जानता है, मतलब खराब हो जाएगा तो कोई बात नहीं. They anyway don't know me. अच्छा किया तो याद रखेंगे कि कोई लड़की आई थी दिल्ली से.
Because I didn't know anything, and then I went for Miss India, and then I was like, oh, everyone is so groomed and everyone knows, and that's when I was like, okay, that's how you behave like a girl, that's how you're like all feminine. So my grooming was the pageant largely and the Bombay world, and then I moved to Bombay, and then I started auditioning in that whole Aram Nagar and all of that, and the journey began.
लड़कियों के लिए बाल एक, and I've always had long hair apart from that one little face I've had. लड़कियों के लिए ना बाल एक वेल होता है. बाहर जाना है, बाल खोल दिया, you feel secure. कुछ करना है, बाल खोल दिया, you feel sexy, you feel pretty. So it's a veil, it's a shield for a lot of women. For me too, I didn't realize it until I got it cut.
But there was a point in my career as well, which was like, I would say, before the pandemic, where I had for no reason put in this pressure on me, and it wasn't about losing weight. I had, because at the start, I think I felt like there's a certain expectation that my audience has from me, which is constantly transforming. And I'm doing that even now.
I was in South, first few years, I learned that the only way to have a powerful standing as a female actor in the industry is when you work opposite big heroes and you do big banner films.
And I'm also proud of my own journey. And so now, of course, people say, how come suddenly you become a filmmaker? I was like, no, it's not sudden. You suddenly don't just make a film. I've done many, many short films. They have gone to a lot of film festivals, and I've written many books. I remember you read a book, and that's how it was the first conversation. And I'm just so glad our first conversation was based on a piece of content written by me. and you appreciated that. It was the book.
Your film has made 100 crores. For me, I just kept thinking that that's how many tickets people bought, you know, and that's how many people that actually went to the theater to watch your film or the film that you made with your entire cast and crew. So while the 100 crore is of course a byproduct of the love that actually people have given us, and just kind of enjoyed the 2 hours and, you know, appreciated the work that we've done, and something like this, and I say it empowers also because I know that this allows me to get lots more work. It opens a lot of doors for me, and it gives me a chance to be a part of films that I want to be a part of.